Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to remove background in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. Open an image in Adobe Illustrator to remove background. Go to Layers panel and create new layer. Lock layer 1 and select layer 2. Select the pen tool and change its stroke and fill to none. Zoom it. To sketch the object, right-click on the object outline. For corners, click the corner edge and move the cursor to make the curve. And click on Anchor. Sketch the full object by repeating the process. And complete it on Anchor. Remove the lock, select the red dot on the layer 2, and click it on layer 1. Go to Select menu and click All. And go to Object menu, select Clipping Mask and click Make. And go to View menu and select Show Transparency Grid. And there we go, that wraps up the video, so hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.